Welcome. I have another case review for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. This is the, now I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. It's the GVIEWIN or GVIN. I don't even know how they come up with these names, but it's this one. The GVIEWIN compatible with Google Pixel 7 Pro. It is the soft, durable, slim TPU, thin, shockproof, protective phone case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now this is the drift sand brown color. Pretty cool design. It is a basic TPU case, but we'll go over the protection. They do have it in this one, which is the first one on the left, and they got a number of different colors and designs. I guess four total. They have a white style, kind of a blue style, teal style, and then this drift sand brown style. So, taking a look at the case, like I said, it is a TPU case. It is it's not super flimsy like some regular TPU cases. It is bendable. However, it does seem a little thicker, which is good for drop protection. As you can tell, it's got really good camera protection. That's a huge plus for these cases. A lot of cases will just have this whole bar section cut out, kind of like that one. But this one actually protects the camera. It's only got the cutout for the lens, so when you set it down, it doesn't scratch the camera. Let's see if this has... It's got a couple of air pockets in there, in the corners, so that's good. That also, that helps for impact absorption. When you drop the case, if it hits a corner, technically it should flex when you drop it on the corner, bend ever so slightly. But like I said, this almost feels like it's a thin dual layer case, but you cannot take it apart. So it does look like it's one piece. The sides are a little bendable, makes it easy to put in the case. You do have engravings in here. You have the case name in here as well. Designed in California, made in China. So that's about everything that's in our home. You have these cool cutouts for the power and volume buttons. You have a large cutout for where the power cable goes, charging cable for your Pixel. You got large speaker cutouts, and then let's find a mic cutout. Nice big mic cutout. So it's a real stylish case. I think what it say was $16 on Amazon. Let's see. Yes, $14.99, $15. See, the other ones are $16, $17. So this one was basically $15. Let's go ahead and put it on the device. Let's see how easy it goes on. I normally always put mine in side first, and I always put these buttons in first, because check this out. If you do this the opposite way over time, if you put it in this way and then pop it up and over these buttons like this, over time, I'm sure like once or twice it's not going to hurt it, but over time, especially if you put on super, super tight cases, once you pop it in there, this side of the cases that you put on are going to always rub up over these buttons. So maybe not in this year, but if you hold on to the phone for more than a year, these buttons may end up coming loose. Now, I'm not going to say they're going to pop out, but definitely if you change cases a lot and you're planning on keeping this phone, I would always stick the buttons. I always do this. I always put it in first. This way, push it down to where these corners slide in, and then I just go like that. I know some people put it in bottom first and then pop it on the top, but I think going in buttons first is the safest. But it goes on pretty easy. Looks like it's really nice, especially with that little sticker I put over the cameras. It's really nice. Real good design. Shiny. Let's check this out. See, you got a real big cutout right there for the USB-C cable. Let's look at any drop protection or screen protection. It does have a decent sized lip. I know a lot of cases, especially these kind of slimmer cases, don't have that much screen protection or lip. So when you put it down, your screen's not going to get scratched up on any surface at all. Now, let's look at that camera protection. Yeah, see, I like the camera protection. Not gonna, even if it falls face flat, on its back on the ground or concrete, still gonna protect that camera, because that'd be a pain if you dropped your phone and this cracked to get that replaced. But let's see, you got a mic cutout here, you got the flashlight here, and then a nice even cutout for the camera. And you can barely see through the buttons. Let's hear. Nice and clicky. It really feels good in the hand. So it's a really nice looking case. I'm going to put a link down in the description for this case. If you like what you see here with this one, let's look at the top speaker. You can definitely go into the description, click the link. It'll take you right to the Amazon link. So it does have a nice little cutout for the speaker up top. Let's see if I can get it close up. Can I get a focus? Can I get a focus? There we go. So it does have a nice little cutout for that top speaker, because that's where they put the speaker up top. It's real super slim right here. And of course you got speakers down below, but it's a really, really nice looking case. Fits real well in the hand. You know, another thing is it doesn't have grips. You know, some have grips on the side. So it may be, the only downside to this is it may be slippery in the hand, especially if it's like, if you're done working out, your hands are wet, anything like that. That's the only downside of this case that I can really think of, is that, for one, drop protection should be fine in the house, maybe okay outside depending on how high the drop is from, but this would definitely be okay in the home or the office. Car, I think you're good, obviously, but the only downside to this would be it's not slippery, but there's definitely not any grips on the side, because look, see this Spigen case for the S23 Ultra? See how it has grips on the side? That helps for just holding it in your hand, so you don't, when you're walking with it, it doesn't whoop fly out, because that's happened to me before as well. So, but other than that, it's nice. I would recommend this if you're looking for something for in the house, in the office, even in the car, go to the movies, whatever. This should be fine. Possibly at the gym, depending on the kind of workout equipment you're around. But I really like this. I'll leave a link in the description, like I said, and let y'all check it out for yourselves. So go look at those other colors as well. So it looks like they got some cool stuff. So I will see you next time. Bye.